How to temporarily deactivate Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to temporarily deactivate Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Messenger application here. And once you launch the Messenger app, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the three lines option located at the top left, then tap the gear icon to come to this page. Once you're here on this page, what you want to do is simply go to all these options over here, but you want to go to Account Center, which is going to be at the bottom. Once you come to Account Center, go to the option called Personal Details, go to Account Ownership and Control, then Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account. Deactivate is going to get selected by default, so if that's what you want, tap the Continue option. As you do that, your Messenger account will get temporarily deactivated unless you choose to activate it again. Enter your password and you should be good to go. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.